Okay, so while I'm screwing around with the new welder, I've got these little D-hooks that I want to put onto this receiver rack. I ground down my spots on the rack. D-hooks are nickel plated, I think, so I'll probably die of fumes. This works, this works. If not, we'll grind the D-hooks off and go back about our business. Catch everything on fire. That's what we can do. It's tacked. It did pretty well, I think. Get this one tacked. Then I'll clean them up and weld them. Probably lose all that travel once I heat these things up terribly, but they're tacked down there, so I'm gonna blast them a little more and see if they hold. The downfall of being Fluxcore, and I knew it would be having to stop and clean it up, but you get the same with a stick welder anyway, so. See if I can do some damage to the back sides here. I hate having to turn this thing on all the time. Not too bad. can honestly say I've made worse welds with a better welder. Okay, brought it outside and painted it up. I'm not disappointed with that welder. It's a nice little thing. It takes some practice, and I still got a lot more to do. A lot of spatter with it being Fluxcore, but maybe I'll tell you what, I'm pretty happy with it. For 80-90 bucks, whatever it was. Yeah, it doesn't suck that bad. It's people hate them, but if it's all you need and it's all you can afford, do it. Go for it. It takes a lot of practice. I'll probably burn through a couple of spools before I ever figure out really how to use a thing very well, but man, I like it. You can plug it into an extension cord. You take it all over the place and weld with it. Can't beat that. So, alright, just thought I'd make another quick video as a follow-up to the first one. So, hopefully I'm not using that rack sometime and have those D-rings blow off somewhere. But if that happens, I'll be sure to let you guys know. Alright, I got some other projects I got to take care of today, so see you guys in the next video.